Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. How to prepare for clearing ETO CS exam. So one written, one oral. So when I talk about writtens, practice, practice, practice. Write. At least 1 year, last 1 year, all the questions need to practice. Diagrams. Practice diagrams. Make sure that all the questions, even if they do not ask a diagram, if you can represent in a form of diagram, do that. Good handwriting is important. If numericals are there, please attempt them. They are sure shot success if you have done them right to get 100% result and clear a written in the first attempt. Along with that, past year papers हो गया, topic wise preparation हो गया. Make your own answers by analyzing the answers from Google or notes. Well, out here our ETO CSE excellence package is already there. We are going to tell you about it in the next 2 minutes. So where it will help you clear written exams. Daily revision is a must. Good handwriting is a must. Join telegrams for the latest asked questions. No, for writtens not, but for orals yes. I'll show you over here. So writtens के लिए telegram क्वेश्चन की जरूरत है. पिछले साल के अच्छे से कीजिए और written में practice करते हुए diagrams, good handwriting, job is done. Orals के लिए guys, firstly read these books called Marine Control Technology, Marine Electrical Technology or Competency in Marine Electrical Engineering. Now these are the 3 books which has been represented by the ETO who has prepared this PPT. I do not know. You can go ahead with these books. But personally speaking, out of my own, out here, it is very important that you join telegram groups where people are a lot more active and sharing their knowledge and discussing questions which are being asked in various MMDs. Second thing is you have to be very careful in deciding which MMD you want to choose, where you want to give exams. Why? Because if the MMD needs to have a very good passing rate. If it has, your chances of clearing are more. Third thing is that you need to form your own community of 5 to 6 core groups, core friends who are everyday sitting together, who are serious everyday sitting together for 1 hour at least and discussing what all you have studied in that day. Because oral is all about speaking, all about practicing. The more you sit together, even on a Zoom call and discuss, the more you speak, the more chances are there when you go for ETO exams, you will be able to clear that orally. Copied? So, again, read about safety and regulation. Read से नहीं होगा, to speak it out. Make your notes, short notes. वो रखने हैं, पढ़ना है. So knowing your interviewer, knowing your MMD, making notes, short notes, discussing every day, being in telegram groups where people are active and you also sharing your answers is the key to clear your ETO oral exams. Copied guys? Now where to find previous year papers? Now you can go to Marine Samraj website and telegram groups. Previous year questions can be found. Very soon Merchant Navy Decoded are also going to launch their own platform. If it has been launched, it is in the link in the comment section. You go ahead and you can have the previous year question papers over there. When should you start your preparation and how much time is enough? Well, the moment you go on ship for those 8 months training, that is the time when you should start preparing. Maybe you'll do that 8 months together as a training ETO. That is the time. Buy this ETO COC excellence package, go on ship, start studying from there, start making notes so that when you come, you are already prepared for the COC and writtens, for the orals and the writtens. The moment you buy this package, you become a part of community where everybody is updating. अच्छा मैंने ये पढ़ लिया and all those things, which will help you clear your exams. So this is the thing that I can say. Last but not the least, ETO COC excellence package. If you are a trainee ETO, buy it now. You can access this package even on board ship. Go ahead, watch these videos, and you will definitely succeed. Last but not the least, this ETO officer excellence package. If you become an ETO, then go for this package, because out here you will find a lot of packages like basic electrical package, how to read electrical circuit diagrams, automation package, maneuvering diagram package, hydraulic package, achiever package, combo package, ME engine basic package. These packages are there to help you earn respect on ship. Remember, that is very important. Number 1, if you want to know whether you are eligible for ETO COC exam or not, go to Merchant Navy Decoded website, go to calculator section, go to MEO class eligibility, check their eligibility in the ETO section. Done. Second thing is, go do this course. This is a free course which you can see on the screen right now. The link is in the description box as well as in the pinned comment if you want to know all about ETO COC exams. Now that you have got all the information, you have got the key to success and open this lock to success. Third point is, go for this ETO COC excellence package. Study hard, prepare better, become a part of community where people are discussing. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata. Result आपका आएगा ही आएगा. Take care, bye.